Hey, what's up guys? It's Marcus here, and today we're diving into the top 4 apps you absolutely need for your YouTube channel success in 2025. We're talking about tools that can take your channel from zero to hero, boosting your views, subscribers, and overall impact. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator, these apps are game changers. Let's get into it. First up, we've got TubeBuddy, a beast for optimizing your videos and growing your channel. Imagine a tool that helps you find the perfect keywords to rank higher in search results and suggests the most effective tags to attract your target audience. That's TubeBuddy in a nutshell. One of the coolest things about TubeBuddy is its ability to analyze your competition. You can see what's working for them, what keywords they're ranking for, and even get insights into their upload schedule. This kind of intel is invaluable when you're trying to carve out your own space in a crowded niche. TubeBuddy streamlines your workflow with features like bulk processing for tags and descriptions, canned responses to engage with your community faster, and even A/B testing for thumbnails. It's like having a whole team of YouTube experts working behind the scenes to help you succeed. The real magic of TubeBuddy lies in its keyword research capabilities. It dives deep into search volume, competition, and even suggests long-tail keywords that are more specific to your content. This means you're not just casting a wide net, you're laser focusing your efforts to attract viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. TubeBuddy integrates seamlessly with your YouTube account. It's like having a turbocharged dashboard that gives you all the data and tools you need to make informed decisions about your content strategy. Trust me, once you go TubeBuddy, you'll never go back. Now, some of you might be thinking, okay, Marks, this sounds amazing, but is it worth the investment? And my answer is a resounding yes, especially if you're serious about growing your channel. TubeBuddy offers different pricing tiers to fit every budget, and the value you get in return is unmatched. Think of it as an investment in your channel's future. Plus, there's a free version you can try out to get a taste of what TubeBuddy can do. I'm willing to bet that once you experience the power of having all these tools at your fingertips, you'll be hooked. So, if you're ready to level up your YouTube game, head over to TubeBuddy and see the difference for yourself. Next up is Canva, and if you're not already using it for your YouTube channel, you're missing out. We all know how crucial visuals are on YouTube. Your thumbnail is often the first thing viewers see, and it can make or break whether they click on your video. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is a graphic design platform that makes creating stunning visuals incredibly easy, even if you have zero design experience. We're talking drag and drop simplicity, a massive library of templates, and tons of customization options to make your brand stand out. Think of Canva as your secret weapon for creating eye-catching thumbnails that stop scrollers dead in their tracks. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, images, and layouts to find the perfect formula that grabs attention and accurately represents your content. But Canva isn't just for thumbnails. You can use it to design your channel art, create custom end screens that encourage viewers to subscribe and watch more of your videos, and even make social media graphics to promote your channel across different platforms. One of the things I love most about Canva is its user-friendly interface. It's so intuitive that you can literally jump in and start designing within minutes. And here's the best part. Canva has a generous free plan that gives you access to a ton of features. So whether you're a design newbie or a seasoned pro, Canva is an essential tool for any YouTuber looking to elevate their visual game. Chapter 3. VidIQ. Unlock the secrets to YouTube analytics. Now let's talk about VidIQ, another powerhouse tool that can take your YouTube analytics to a whole new level. If you're serious about understanding your audience, tracking your progress, and making data-driven decisions to grow your channel, VidIQ is your new best friend. Think of VidIQ as your YouTube co-pilot, providing you with real-time insights into your channel's performance. It tracks everything from views and watch time to engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. But it goes beyond just showing you numbers. VidIQ helps you understand what those numbers mean and how you can use them to improve your content strategy. One of the standout features of VidIQ is its competitor analysis tool. You can see which videos are performing well for your competitors, what keywords they're ranking for, and even get insights into their audience demographics. This information is pure gold when it comes to refining your own content strategy and staying ahead of the game. But vidIQ isn't just about analyzing the past. It also helps you plan for the future with its keyword research and trend analysis tools. You can discover new keyword opportunities, see what topics are trending in your niche, and even get suggestions for video ideas that are likely to perform well. And here's a pro tip: VidiQ integrates seamlessly with your YouTube account, so you can access all your analytics and insights directly from your YouTube dashboard. It's like having a supercharged analytics suite right at your fingertips. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Marks, this sounds a lot like TubeBuddy. Which one do I actually need? And that's a fair question. Both TubeBuddy and VidiQ offer a suite of powerful tools for YouTube creators, but they each have their own strengths. TubeBuddy excels at keyword research, tag suggestions, and overall channel optimization. VidiQ, on the other hand, shines when it comes to in-depth analytics, competitor analysis, and trend forecasting. So whether you're a data geek or just want to get a better understanding of your YouTube audience, vidIQ is an invaluable tool that can help you make smarter decisions and grow your channel strategically. Chapter 4. Hootsuite, your social media command center. Last but not least, we have Hootsuite, and this one's all about streamlining your social media management. We all know how important it is to promote your YouTube videos across different platforms, but juggling multiple accounts can be a real time suck. That's where Hootsuite comes in. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that lets you manage all your social media accounts from one central location. We're talking Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. Hootsuite brings it all together in one convenient dashboard. Imagine this. You just uploaded an awesome new video to your YouTube channel. Instead of logging into each of your social media accounts separately to share it, you can do it all from Hootsuite with just a few clicks. Talk about a time saver. But Hootsuite is much more than just a scheduling tool. It also gives you powerful insights into your social media performance. You can track your engagement metrics, see which posts are resonating with your audience, and even identify the best times to post for maximum reach. And here's a cool feature. Hootsuite lets you create custom streams for different keywords and hashtags. This means you can stay on top of industry trends, see what people are saying about your brand, and even engage with potential new followers. Now, some of you might be thinking, Marcus, I'm already using a different social media management tool. Why should I switch to Hootsuite? And that's a valid point. There are tons of great social media management tools out there. But what sets Hootsuite apart is its comprehensive feature set, its user-friendly interface, and its seamless integration with a wide range of social media platforms. It's truly a one-stop shop for all your social media needs. Plus, Hootsuite offers a free plan that's perfect for individuals and small businesses. So, whether you're a social media newbie or a seasoned pro, Hootsuite can help you save time, streamline your workflow, and get the most out of your social media efforts. So there you have it. The top 4 apps you need for YouTube success in 2025. Make sure to check them out and let me know in the comments which one you find the most useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.